warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Maharani Arista Putri. I am one of the students from the Muhammadiyah University Prof. Dr. Hamka. And here I will cover the talks of the lecture Mr. Subhan. Okay, here I will present the corners material. See you.
There are four topics. 1. Complementary angle. 2. Supplementary angle. 3. Vertical angle. And 4. Adjacent angle. Complementary angle. Two angles are complementary when they add up to 90 degrees a right angle. These two angles, 40 degrees and 50 degrees, are complementary angle because they add up to 90 degrees. They forget they make a right angle. But the angle don't have to be together. These two are complementary because 27 degrees plus 63 degrees equals 90 degrees. Right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the two non-right angles are complementary because in a triangle, the triangle and to 180 degrees and 90 degrees has already been taken by the right angle. Supplementary angle. Two angles are supplementary when they add up to 180 degrees. These two angles, 140 degrees and 40 degrees, are supplementary angle because they add up to 180 degrees. Notice that together they make a straight angle. But angles don't have to be together. These two are supplementary because 60 degrees plus 120 degrees equals 180 degrees. Vertical angle. Vertical angle are the angle opposite each other when two lines cross. Vertical in this case means they share the same vertex corner point, not the usual meaning of up down. Example, A degrees and B degrees are vertical angle. The interesting here is that vertical angle R equals A degrees equal degrees. Is fact they are congruent angle. Adjacent angle. Two angles are adjacent when they have a common side and a common vertex corner point and don't overlap. Angle ABC is adjacent to angle CBD because they have a common side line CB. They have a common vertex point B. Example complementary angle. Example 1. If two angles are complementary and one of them is 77 degrees, what is the size of the outer angle? Complementary angle 90 degrees minus 77 degrees equals 30 degrees. A answer. Next, ABC a rectangle. Which of the following parts of angle are complementary? Two angles that meet a corner of the rectangle are complementary. So, angle B A C and angle C A B are complementary, and this is the answer D. Example supplementary angle. Two angles are supplementary and one of them is 31 degrees. What is the sine of the outer angle? Supplementary angle 118 degrees minus 31 degrees equals 149 degrees. Answer D. Angle. Here is a pair of parallel lines and a transversal. Which of the following pair or angle are vertical angle, also called vertical opposite angle? Vertical angle are the angle opposite each other when two lines cross. Answer A. Answer A. Next, example 2. The diagram shows a pair of parallel lines and a transversal. Which of the following pairs of angle are vertical angle, also called vertical opposite angle? The angle pair must share the same vertex and be equal. Answer D. Example adjacent angle. In the above diagram, which of the following pair of angle are not adjacent? Answer C. B and D do not have a common side, so are not adjacent. The outer pair do have common side, so are adjacent. Thank you.
So many explanation for me. If there are deficiencies, please forgive. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.